In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the JLab Go Tones Plus. Now off the top, it looks very similar to the Go Pop Plus, which I did a video on just recently. Let's go ahead and check this one out and see what it's got for us. These earbuds come with 7 different color tones, so you can personalize it how you like. In the box, it's going to come with your quick start guide, 2 extra sets of ear tips, and the Go Tones earbuds. These earbuds don't come with a power cord, but instead, it already has a USB-C cord attached to the case, which means you just have to find a power outlet with a USB-C port to charge these. There's an LED light in the middle, and on top, you can see the JLab logo. When you open it, there are your earbuds that also have a JLab logo right on it. The Go Tones Plus also comes with some good features such as 35 hours of playing time with the case, its IPX4 water rating, and the JLab's application. All you have to do to set it up is take the earbuds out of its case. Then it will automatically go into pairing mode. Once it pops up, go ahead and press on it, and it will quickly connect to your device. Now that I had it connected, I took it outside to go test just how they sound. And from my experience, these are a good sounding pair of earbuds. Nothing is too high or low. It'll give you a good mix of everything you need when it comes to listening to music. And of course, just to top it off, your sound experience will be a whole lot better with the JLab's application. Once connected to the app, you could do things like turn off or on Be Aware mode, which will turn off the noise isolation so you can hear all your surroundings. Here you can choose between 3 different preset EQs, or you can customize your own sound just how you like it by hitting custom. You also have access to the way you want to set your touch controls and safe hearing. The Go Tones Plus also has some built-in microphones for phone calls, so let's see how much clarity my voice has talking through the microphones. This is a mic test on the Go Tones Plus, so you can get an idea of what it would sound like on the phone. Test 1 2 1 2. In my opinion, these are some good sounding pair of headphones. They're also nice and comfortable and pretty lightweight. It also gives you a good range of color tone selections. I personally think you're going to have a good, comfortable listening experience. And especially with up to 35 hours of playing time, you're going to be listening all day. If you want to learn more about the Go Tones Plus, I will leave all the links in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos just like this one, and I will catch you guys on the next one.